Welcome everybody, welcome back to my channel here on NBC Vids, the entertainment channel where we just try to distract you from the facts that people go through any lengths just to try and lay them here, super glue, crazy glue, gorilla glue, all these things.
My hair, it don't move. My hair, my hair, my
For real, I'm kind of glad to say it come out and I hear come back and all them things there, but whatever. So for this video, I'm going to give Uno a little hotel tour, a little hotel vlogging thing, because one day over the past weekend, I went to a hotel by myself because I was like, I can't never go to a hotel by myself before and really see one rate and it never looked that bad. And my budget it out, I realized it wouldn't really dent me too bad, so I said, I'm gonna do it. And no, honestly, while I was going to the hotel, I wasn't planning to vlog. I wasn't gonna vlog. I wasn't gonna do no type of work at all, no computer work, no video, no nothing. So I just go there and I was trying to just enjoy myself. But then when I say I wanted to see it because the place is actually kind of really nice, so I wanted to experience it with me while I was there. So I'm gonna start vlog after a little while. So basically, this video is gonna show you the different parts of RIU Mobay. RIU Mobay was really nice. The staff were really friendly, really cool. And yes, I'm from Clarendon and in Clarendon right now. So how I get to Mobay? Basically I took a Knutsford, so yes, I had to budget that too. So I took a Knutsford to Mobay. The Knutsford leave me from like 6 o'clock in the morning, and I was literally 3 minutes, 3 seconds late, 3 seconds later, and the bus driver would just left me, because as I reach me see bus driver step in, and if the bus driver never see me, he would wait for me if we were checking out all that foolishness. But yeah, I made it obviously, and I went to Mobay by myself. Now it was a really cool experience, just traveling and ting by myself. I've never really done that before in terms of going on a Knutsford, because of course I travel by myself, but the Knutsford is my first Knutsford experience, and that was in and of itself cool and ting. So the first thing when you reach RIU, the first thing I liked was just the layout of the lobby. The lobby actually kind of really nice and nice set up, and it was cool. It had a nice classy vibe. There wasn't too many people at the check-in line, so I kind of got through real quick and ting. When I reached, my room wasn't ready, but it wasn't 3 o'clock yet, so by the time I reached, it was, I can't remember what time it was, but I reached my room never ready, so I'm just kind of chill by the pool and go get lunch and them things there. Now, for the COVID protocols, you have to be wearing your masks in public areas. If you're too close to somebody, you have to be wearing your mask. If you're not too close, you can kind of leave with your mask, but in the buffet area, you have to wear your mask. But when you're eating outside, you can't take it off, obviously, if you eat. Now, the setup of the hotel is really nice. You have this area that's obviously for a party, and I really wish that we didn't catch one party that weekend. But if I hear a party keeping there, again, either there or Ochi or somewhere else, may I go to RIU, because the party area look nice. If you look a cool party. And there's a beach section, obviously, North Coast Hotel beach section, really nice. And a couple meters away was the Sandals bungalows, the North Coast version, and boy, that's on my bucket list now. I want to stay at the bungalows. It looks really chill and really nice. I told me I go swim, go over there, and they can't tell me nothing, Go swim right, go over there, go take lodgings. So when I first got into my room, everything was really nice. The bed was set up good, the bathroom was lit to look at, we had a nice view of the balcony and all these things. So morning everybody, just giving Uno a quick little room tour, because I never did it yesterday when I just came in. But in here is pretty nice. The bathroom, man, underwear. Bathroom's nice. The shower is a nice little space. Show you all inside. Look at that. It's a nice place. Really chill. I'm going on the balcony for now. Oh, Jesus. Wait. Shit. Alright. Here's pretty nice. It's pretty quiet. The one drawback I must say is they don't have the lotion. No lotion. The skin them dry. The skin dry. We need for lotion. And there's a next thing in the shower. They don't have conditioner. They only have this. I don't know if you can see, but it says 2-in-1. Let me go here and show you. It says 2-in-1. 2-in-1 what? RIU. Shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel conditioner, 2-in-1 what? See, like, we need conditioner. We need conditioner and we need lotion. That's the one drawback I personally have. Otherwise though, I don't hate it. It's nice. Nice space. Then in the night I got ready to have dinner. I went and I had dinner and everything. They had a really good spread for dinner. It was really nice. They had the buffet open, and at that night it was an Asian restaurant open. But I just had the buffet. Couldn't bother go to the Asian restaurant because I have Chinese for like a whole week already. So I'm like, alright. Like, change it to shorts. I'm just like somebody's father. This is my and in the night I stole like a swim from the swimming pool because I never went in the day because I'm not telling me kind of tired because I went to bed late the night before and I leave out early. Figure nuts for it, and on the nuts for it I never really sleep. No, like I sleep enough, quite I sleep enough. But yeah, I was tired, so I just kind of chill in my room. I just kind of walk up and down on the hotel premises. So I never really went to the pool in the day. So in the night I stole a little swim session, and boy, the water did look nice. It just kind of look magical and feel magical and all these things. So I took a swim before somebody run me. Let me say pool closed. So I just took a dip in the water before somebody run me out. But no, the water was lit. Magical. Let me show you. We out here. Coming back from a late night dip in the pool. The place not bad, really not bad. And I probably said this before, but I really didn't want to vlog because I was like, I just wanted to be by myself and just chill and not work and stuff, but kind of want to show around the place because the place is nice. I like it, personally. But yeah, the next day come and I went to breakfast, had my breakfast and ting. It was a nice spread again. Then I just went back to my room and I just kind of chilled, and I honestly had a really good time. For me personally, I'm a extroverted introvert, so it's always nice to just spend time with yourself and just do things by yourself.
By yourself and Bill.
But yeah, so for that morning I had to start preparing to leave and so on. So I had to go draw money from the ATM. They told me that I had to go off campus to use the ATM off campus. I never really liked that, but I'm like, alright, fine, you have to do what you have to do. So I can pay the people, the taxi driver for carrying back to the Knutsford station for carrying back home. So I went off campus, got this Scotia ATM, and then came back and basically we're just chilling in my room. So I'm making my way downtown because they don't have an on-site ATM apparently, so you have to like go outside and cross the road and go to the Burger King or KFC, whatever the frig it is. So go to that ATM and enjoy your money from there. So like, that's one other thing, the thing that you take into consideration. Have an ATM on site maybe, but be chill and just, you know, soak up everything, and you know, just here and there getting free drinks, free pay feet. Get my drinks here and there, get my food here and there, and just kind of chill, and then, you know, left afterwards. But yeah, honestly, that's been the little hotel vlog video. It was a really chill experience. It was really nice. I like the hotel. It was nice. Now I kind of have in my brain to probably go RIU or Bahia. I might have more Bahia or RIU, cause I might not do the Mobay one again for now. You know, I might go Ochi closer. So I might go Ochi, go try next hotel, you know, save up for it and do it for March, you know, when I turn 24 and all these things. So you might see our next hotel vlog video. Hey. But yeah, that's been a little video of me here. I live lavish and ting. Don't worry, I saved up for it. Don't play me. Save up my money, work my money and things. So I deserve it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and come back next week around the same time, today, Tuesday of next week, for a brand new video.